Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off Show Me Personalized Ad on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off Show Me Personalized Ad on Windows 11 computer, just click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Privacy and Security, and here you will find Windows permissions, and under Windows permissions you will find a general option. Click on general option, and here you will find the first option, let apps show me personalized ad by using this advertising ID. By default it's turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Now let app show me personalized ad by using this device ID is turned off on my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.